Okay, live થઈ ગયું છે.
Yes, you can start the video, Shailesh.
Okay.
Are we starting, Shailesh?
1 minute. ચાલુ જ કરવું. Okay, જી. Okay, ચાલુ થઈ ગયું.
Share the screen.
કયો?
No.
Sorry, આપણું જ થાય. ચાલુ કરજો. વિડિયો નહીં થાય.
I think, Shailesh, let me start. Okay, so I think
ठीक.
this means
સ્ક્રીન શેર કર દો.
yes. No, 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 not this one. Please close it. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are starting your today's session, today's webinar, Seedhi Baat with Brand Owner. In last few days, many clients asked me, Samir, you and your team has been working very hard in very much detail. You have been sharing a lot of knowledge with us, with your audience, even this COVID scenario. You did many webinars, many videos, but let me ask you genuinely, some of the clients asked me, whether it is a right time to start any franchise business. Let me tell you, today I'll give you 7 reasons to start or finalize your franchise business now. Number 1, franchisee is a business of low risk and high success dynamic. Yes, जैसे हमने पहले भी बताया हुआ है, because compared to startup, if you see any startup, almost 90% plus startup gets closed in 3 years. 100 startup में से 90 startup 3 से 4 साल में बंद हो जाते हैं. Wherein if we talk about franchisee, the success ratio is very high. Number 2, it's a booming industry. 4,000 plus franchisee brands working across India with 2 lakh plus franchisee outlets. So you can imagine what is the opportunity. Having 1.3 billion of people population, what opportunity we have, because many more people are entering and many more new brands are coming into this industry. Number 3, favorable business condition. इससे ज्यादा फेवरेबल बिजनेस कंडीशन आपको शायद फ्यूचर में कभी नहीं मिलेगी. हाउ? Number 1, to start any franchise business, you need a real estate property. I'm sure in this scenario, you will get many options and in many reasonable rates. Number 2, you may get favorable terms and condition from the franchisor in this current scenario, if it is a new brand. Number 3, trained resources. Yes, there are lakhs of trained resources who are looking for job opportunity. So I am sure you are going to get good amount of trained resources very easily. Point number 4, be employment facilitator. In a country like India, where we have a huge issue of employment, you are going to help your nation, your country, your state and your city by generating employment, because एक फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट एवरेज हम बात करें तो 5 से 10 लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट देता है. So this is how we are going to help many people. Point number 5, high success rate. As we have already discussed, because into franchisee system you are not starting anything from scratch. आप एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस मॉडल को रेप्लिकेट करते हैं, बिकॉज पूरा बिजनेस का सिस्टम जो होता है वो फ्रेंचाइजर ने एस्टैब्लिश किया है. फिर चाहे वो ब्रांड नेम हो, उनकी प्रोडक्ट्स हो, उनकी प्रोसेसेस हो, एसओपीज हो, एवरीथिंग, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, सारी चीजें फ्रेंचाइजर ने डेवलप की है. आपको सिर्फ उनके साथ जुड़ना है. सो दैट इज वाई इजी, इट इज इजी टू स्टार्ट, एंड उसका जो सक्सेस रेशियो है वो कंपेरेटिवली काफी हाई होता है. पॉइंट नंबर 6, हाई डिमांड. Yes, as in last few years, uh, हमारी कंट्री के लोग with the help of internet or because of traveling, we have got exposed to international countries, international people and international brands. So the adaptability of new thing, new concept and new brands is very high, and that is why the demand is also increasing. So in this business there are definitely high demand. And number 7, very good opportunity for first time entrepreneurs. If you are working, if you have been working with many job or into corporate, you have always been looking to become an entrepreneur. This is the time and easiest way to become an entrepreneur. So these are the 7 reasons to own a franchisee now. To get more detail about these 7 points, आप हमारा latest blog पढ़ सकते हैं. हमारे कोई भी लिंक्डइन अकाउंट, फ्रेंचाइजी हमारा जो फ्रेंचाइज इंसाइडर का फेसबुक पेज या हमारी वेबसाइट है franciseinsider.in, जहाँ पे जाके आप ये ब्लॉग डिटेल में पढ़ सकते हैं क्यों आपको फ्रेंचाइजी बिजनेस अभी स्टार्ट करना चाहिए. गुड इवनिंग, आई एम समीर देसाई, योर फ्रेंचाइज एक्सपर्ट, फ्रेंचाइज कैटलिस्ट एंड फ्रेंचाइज बिजनेस कोच फ्रॉम फ्रेंचाइज इंसाइडर. सीधी बात विद ब्रांड ओनर. हमने ये सीरीज स्टार्ट किया था with an intention to help all you people to connect with the different franchisee brand owners, उनसे रूबरू करवाना, उनसे आपके मन की बात, आपके जो सवाल जवाब उनसे कर सकते हैं, उनकी बिजनेस डिटेल्स आप जान सकते हैं डायरेक्टली रूबरू. Today we have assistant director of an international franchisee brand, The Chocolate Room. We have us with Mr. Speaker Dhaval Shukla with us. The Chocolate Room, basically it's a origin of Australia. Yes, it's basically an Australian brand. Entered into India in 2007. Currently इनके 300 प्लस फ्रेंचाइजी आउटलेट्स हैं across the world. जी हाँ, across the world. And मैं इनको क्रेडिट देता हूँ in a single platform, in a single I would say bucket, 3 डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज का प्रोपोजिशन जो इन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से इंडिया में लेके आए हैं. क्या है वो 3 कैटेगरीज? कैफे, बेकरी एंड चॉकलेट. ये तीनों का प्रपोजिशन करके ब्यूटीफुली इस ब्रांड को एक्सपांड करने वाला. आई एम श्योर ऐसी कोई सिंगल ब्रांड इंडिया में यू वोंट फाइंड, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज वेरी मच सक्सेसफुल, not just in India but across the globe, and they are expanding very fast in different countries in coming time. Even in this lockdown scenario, ऐसी सिचुएशन में भी they have finalized around 3 franchises, जिसमें से 2 उनके ऑलरेडी ऑपरेशनल हो चुके हैं in this scenario, and more they are going to finalize and start very soon. So let me hand over, I will not take much time, and let us connect with the assistant director of brand The Chocolate Room, Mr. Dhaval Shukla. Dhaval, the screen is yours. Thank you so much. Let's just a second. Shailesh, can you unmute him? Shailesh, please unmute him. Okay.
Thank you, Samir bhai. It was a pleasure always to be connected with you and with your viewers. So yes, this time me, Dhaval Shukla, Assistant Director of the Chocolate Room India Private Limited, and a small and sweet and crispy introduction of mine. But let me tell you, I eagerly understand about your 7 point which you have discussed to whomsoever who would love to join us, or not even us, but the franchisee industry. Definitely, if they follow this 7 pointer, they can always be coming in any food industry business or maybe any franchisee business.
Screen share.
So let me begin with
Yes, yes.
everyone. And, let me begin with Chocolate Room and me as an individual. Why I am so much, like this concept because of the chocolate, and not even me, but more than research indicate that more than 80% of family of India itself are consuming chocolate on day-to-day basis. So this is a huge opportunity where you can correlate your business with the chocolate and the chocolate room in Chocolate Room India. And Mr. Vikas Punjabi and Mr. LC Kumar have delivered the best in India, which help us to be grow together with our 325 store, which is we are running in India, with all 325 leader what we have. So I'm never call them as a franchisee. I always call them as a leader. So I have a leader. For anybody who would love to join us this leadership, they can come forward and join us and save their career. So let's proceed further. The Chocolate Room, which is largest cafe chain in India. Let's move further on the second slide, sir. So it's all about the history. It started long back, like in BC, and there are lots of centuries and all. So it started from the cocoa, and it's a completely history, which easily available in the Google. Let me very crispy and crystal clear about the agenda of the Chocolate Room. Is we never forget our history. जहाँ से चालू किया है उसे ध्यान में रखते हुए अपने विजन को कन्वर्ट करते जा रहे हैं. तो हिस्ट्री इज ऑलवेज बी देयर because we never cheated in terms of our consumer mind and the product quality. So this is all about the history what we wanted to be captured in this presentation and giving the more informative answer on this topic. So let's move on to next slide, sir, and move on to other, because this is all about the 1400 BC it started and till present itself, like so from 1400 BC से आज तक ये one of the favorite product hai, which can be consumed by any consumer, for national, international, or anywhere. So we have a worldwide presence. So we have across the 11 countries we have. And last year our development was in Bangladesh and as well as Nepal and Abu Dhabi. These are the three outside India presence. We have done it last year. So every year we have some, focusly we are targeting on the country wise. So if in the viewership there are few people, those who are having a connection for outside India, those who wanted to go outside looking for that investment, of course they can come speak to you, Samir bhai, or either they can come and join us together to become a international brand honor. That's itself a huge opportunity for any other individual, those who are graduate, pass out, those who are already running their own business, they wanted to be diversify their business, so they can come and join us in worldwide, in any part of country, any part of worldwide, any part of location also. In India we have, as I said, that we have 325 store in India operationals. Let's come to the next slide, which is and the screen indicate that like we are majorly into the franchisee support, and chocolate is always into the growing industry in the market, because it will come under into the takeaway industry. If I'll consider about the same, if you wanted to be have a chocolate, there is a one single mind, we wanted to become like huge with the help of our franchisee, and that's why we are very crystal clear on the support point of the franchisee, what we offer them and we deliver them. So from the site selection to site fit out, and like buying and negotiating on the rental part, the service what we offer them, the crockery presentation, all the trainings and everything. Let's move on to the next slide. So from selection of the slide to opening of the slide, to opening any kind of store will come under the site selection process. In between, we'll give the training, our HR support is there, our sales support is always be there, because now we are come with a different portal which help us to be generate a lead, not even the lead for the big corporates and other thing, but also on day-to-day basis, how you increase your sale on day-to-day basis with the help of online portal, with the help of all these small lead generation activity. Those who are marketing field, those who are already into the sales field, they understand about every single lead, uh, you know, more required to any other business. So for a cake business to any other business, it must require if you have a proper lead. So we have designed, and not even this pandemic, but we have a strategy to how to get the sales in. But of course, we required someone to be driven. We required some leadership to be there to drive this entire project there itself. We call them as a franchisee, but we call them as a leadership. So our pride and chocolate values, of course, the indication is there. It's very much clear. Our presentation of any cutlery and crockery is very unique and crystal clear. You can see in this presentation, we generally serve a cold coffee in this thing. We coat it with the coffee beans which help you to be give a shot of the coffee with the same, and people will have it and chew it like this. So this is all about the chocolate room culture. We wanted to be grow together with you all people. Let's move to the next slide, sir. As I already have in my last slide, I have explained them. Like we are in 11 country, 20 plus state, 50 cities, more than that, and we have 325 now. It's a 325, as Samir Bhai said, that we have recently opened 2 more store. One, so this is how it is. We are expanding, and 2 more we are already signed. With 250 recipe, so it's a huge recipe what we have. So we have a kiosk compact and model wise. Of course, in my next slide, it is the commercial, and as well as the presentation flow will be more clear about what are the model what we have. So these are the, of course, because हम 13 years से market में run कर रहे हैं, and हमें recognize किया गया है our efforts को, जो भी हम market में अपनी efforts डाल रहे हैं, उसे समय दर समय हमें बहुत ज़्यादा appreciation भी मिला है, not even by the consumer, but by the industry also. They clap us, and of course, these are the whole the wall of fame what we have. It's in front of you. So like Times Food Award, Brand Ambassador Award, Indian Restaurant Award, Franchisee India is also have proven us, like, we are the highest seller in franchisee, and we have 325 store across the world, across the nationwide. So extremely very well, and all are run by, typically a mindset of all the Gujaratis what we have. So let's take to the next further slide, sir. The same similar side what we already have. In India, I already told you. So this is an India map. So from top to bottom, we are everywhere. We are there in where majorly we are into the Gujarat area, because our main corporate office based in Ahmedabad, and another head office there in Hyderabad. So we look after the across the nation wise with just 2 offices where we can able to control it. Not even that, which is, I just wanted to be add. We have 7 master franchisee under us, which help us to be grow more, and they can come and join us, and then they are selling a more franchisee under them. So these are the unique flow chart and the more conceptual thing, where my master franchisee plus franchisee, they can grow together, and my superior master franchisee can also earn more. Next slide, sir. So we have a major USPs: hot chocolate, chocolatails, chocolate pizza, which is very unique what we have, and the coffees is also be there because we are running our cafe. And next, move to the next slide, sir. Again, this is a menu, but this is a cafe menu. What Samir Bhai have started. Next slide, sir. Next slide. Okay. So before I proceed further, I would like to explain you why people choose us. These are the basic questions which everybody think in their mind. Why only Chocolate Room, and why they are doing good, or why they have some positive feedback or maybe a negative feedback. Why the only people are talking about the chocolates and chocolates and chocolate? Because of we have a vertical, you know, the mindset is very much clear, is every person wanted to be earn and grow more. They are looking for more verticals to earning a new sources of income, which help us to be grow their personal life and achieve their own zenith point. What are they? Of course, they wanted to be change their lifestyle to be earned. So we have created the similar fundamental we use in our business. The business verticals we have created. So we segregate the entire earning sources in the chocolate room. So which is one is my bakery. So the bakery sale, which includes my varieties of cakes, varieties of brownie, muffin, pudding, banana cakes, and now we have started going to be a loaf, French loaf, chili coriander, garlic loaf, and all, which is adored by families, children, old age people, or youngster like you, me, and us, everyone, even the marketing people and all. So they come, they invite, they have a proper bakery things and all. Take an example of any, if we are near to any chocolate room, like take an example of DLF. We are there in DLF in Delhi. So if I have my, I want to go to my home and my wife will call me and said, I want one a braids ka packet or maybe any other XYZ thing. So you find nearby any new bakery, you'll go and pick one, braid ka packet and all this thing. So this production thing, what we have recently started with all my franchisee stores, and we are keep pushing them to be put this such kind of bakery product with them, which really helpful to be understand about the market, because the market scenario is completely changed. So this vertical is already there, but we are keep growing and keep expanding on the product line or product vertical in this system. So first earning from any of my franchisee who can become, they can focus on the bakery sale. The second earning, which is a cafe. So we call them as a bakery cafe. Now in this pandemic, people have taught us, and the situation taught us in terms of, like, you can't depend on your one income. You have to work triple uh, any number of time, because सभी को पैसा कमाना अच्छा लगता है. यदि आप फोकस्ड हैं और डिफरेंट वेराइटीज में आप अर्न कर सकते हैं, डिफरेंट वर्टिकल्स में आप अर्न कर सकते हैं, सो द कैफे बिजनेस से भी आप अर्न कर सकते हैं. वी हैव डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ food cuisines, which more than 250 product range of chocolates, chocolate food and beverages. Our famous USP is hot chocolate with the different cutleries which we are using it. It always tempt to all the youngster, all the family, all the new family member, people will come for celebrations and all, so they'll come to us. The next part is we have a corporate, not this one, it's okay. So we have a chocolate shop. So this is my third vertical. So with the help of that, my franchisee will be focused on a corporate selling. A corporate selling, like I have a many IT professional, I have a many woman entrepreneur, those who have joined it, those who are already into one business and they wanted to join with another business. So they started talking to us and they said, I have this connection, I have that connection. Use this connection during the celebration time. You can speak to your banks, nearby banks. You can speak to lots of corporate and any other thing who give a celebration packet to any their customer, not even customer, but any family members and all. So this is all about where people will come and buy different varieties of chocolate. We have Belgium chocolate, we have Swiss chocolate, and all the local chocolate we have started, like dairy milks and all, we have started putting in our counter. So the name which indicate that the chocolate room. So it's a completely a room of chocolate. Come inside, we have a different variety from top to bottom. All the corners of worldwide chocolate we have. We promise all the franchisee, and not even the franchisee, but the consumer, and also we promise to you where we can put more and more chocolate, where you can come only for the tasting. Also, it can be a good to us to be expand with me and my franchisee together. Let's talk about the franchisee opportunity. So we have a model wise, like anybody who's looking for an investment right now, and this is a right moment where people can look for an investment. So we have a standalone model, we have a compact model, and a stand and kiosk model. All the three model depend on your budget. You can select all the three model. Like the total investment start from 15 to 20 lakh rupees, and it goes up to 50 to 60 lakh rupees. Depend on the budget what you have, and on that basis we can start the venture, and it will take 40 to 50 days to start any business. So the area which we required in standalone model is 1000 to 1200 square feet. The compact model which we consider into 500 to 700 square feet, and kiosk is like 100 square feet like in any malls and all, and it goes up to a small town like 300 to 400 square feet. We call them as a sitting kiosk, and we give them some sittings area and all. So we started doing a society based business also, because bakery business is also in a booming position there itself, where you can penetrate the properly. So we have in we started with the Ahmedabad and other things also in all these small villages like Fazalka. Like we are everywhere in a small town. We have recently done one deal in Ludhiana, Jalandhar. We are there, Punjab, Northeast, North, a small town like Silchar. If you will talk about in South, so we are there in Kakinada, and there are 2, 3 more small town. We are there. We're very well in doing in Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, and small town like any other small town which is there in Aurangabad. We are there in Ratnagiri. We are there in a small town of Nagpur, which is tier 2 city, and tier 3 city. We are also be there. We wanted to be penetrated because the future is for tier 2 and tier 3 city. This is the future. So as I already said that about the investment parts and all, and of course there is a one question which always people ask, and I have seen in this chat box, the franchisee fee is non-refundable, as well as this franchisee fee including in your total investment. So that is a point which always be people misconcept and misunderstood about this point. So franchisee fee is the part of your total investment, and people can look for their investment. Next slide, sir.
So this is the last page.
Okay, then I am done with the same. Anybody have a question, they can ask me, or then I have some announcement, especially for you and your hardworking team, where if people will interact to you directly, and there is a straight away, because we all are a businessman, and those who are looking us to be start a new venture, the business, how we support them, what are the financial thing which we can support them. Of course we can't give money to everybody, and we can't do anything to anybody, but we can definitely, with the help of you, we can support them, and giving a very good exclusive deal only for your viewers, those who have registered with you. And so I am very committed toward what we have seen to you, and not even to you, but all the consumer, those who are watching us right now, and those who are investor, those who are looking for. Not even that, I am getting a many calls like Samir bhai, you are also getting many calls nowadays. So we are getting many calls, those who are already shutting down their business. If you've seen in the chocolate room, people are always be there, and they are facing the troubles and all, but we are always there to support them. Like, look for next option, look for a solution rather to talk about the problem. So if anybody is facing such kind of problem, like many pizza counters shut down, very small town, they have shutting down, and they are occurring a lots of loss. So I'm just wanting to be tell them, hey, don't close your door here. You need to be knock the door with us. So our door is open for you all people. Those who have about to shut down their business, and they are looking for, there is no solution. See, chocolate room is a solution, because we are giving the 3 verticals which really gonna help you. Pizza is one of the part for us. The another thing, if anybody wanted to become, we can discuss on the commercial point. That's a different thing, because here is not about the business, it's also we are talking about to support them. So if any such kind of entrepreneur in your viewership, or those who are looking for me right now on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, anywhere, we can definitely support them. Don't look for shutting down your business, because food industry is growing, and that research indicate that if you have seen and take your Times of India in last 7 days, you will find we are the most affected in across the worldwide, but we are the topmost people. Not about, I'm talking about me, I'm talking about the entire industry. We are the one who is have a, a, a good motivation, a positive spirit to give fight back to the life and the consumer, the everybody, and keeping a smile, because chocolate is always giving a smile to all the consumer, from a 4-year-old daughter to a 80-year-old mother and father. So yes, we people are there, and the announcement I'll do that. So those who are viewer, those who really come and join us, if they are registered properly, if they are really serious to you, there is a flat a discount of 50% flat discount to you people if they registered, not even the franchisee, but also a few month, a 6 month royalty is free to them.
Wow. So
Your
great.
consumer, only for your viewer, those who are really interested and really wanted to do a business with us. But we don't want only investment, we want leadership. We want people, those who can run the show with us, stand by with us, and be a part of our successful journey. Thank you so much, Samir bhai.
Well, bhai, before we your audience could have asked any question, I think you have given a lot of surprise which even we were not aware about, and the very good offers been given by you. And I would say this is very nice initiative, not just as far as giving discount part. Definitely, that is a good thing for the people who want to become an entrepreneur. That is a good opportunity. जो लोग already business में आना चाहते हैं, franchisee business में आना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए तो आपने बहुत अच्छा opportunity offer कर दिया, जो benefit into franchisee fee and royalty में जो आपने दिया. But even you are there and you are taking an initiative to help those food entrepreneur, those who are struggling because of different reasons, maybe उनके franchisor का support नहीं है, या उनके फैमिली में कोई इश्यूज हैं, रेंटल पार्ट, और देयर मे बी many issues because of that multiple outlets are getting closed. आप उनको एक ब्रीदिंग स्पेस दे रहे हैं, अपॉर्चुनिटी दे रहे हैं कि वो लॉस को मिनिमाइज करके, हो सकता है वो शायद बंद कर देंगे तो उनको ज्यादा लॉस होगा, बट बिकॉज joining hands with you like a brand, an international brand which is very well established, उनके साथ हाथ जोड़ के उनके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी के उसको वो रिवाइव करें, और अगर एफर्ट्स करते हैं डेफिनेटली, बिकॉज आई नो यू एंड योर टीम, आप जो बोलते हैं वो करते हैं, एंड योर डिलीवरेबल्स आर वंडरफुल. तो डेफिनेटली आप किसी के साथ हाथ जोड़ेंगे, सो आप उनका हाथ छोड़ेंगे नहीं इजीली. डेफिनेटली उनको सस्टेनेबिलिटी और सक्सेस करवाने में यू आर गोइंग टू हेल्प अ लॉट टू दोज पीपल. सो ऑडियंस, आप अगर हमारे जूम पे हैं अभी, या फेसबुक पे देख रहे हैं अभी या बाद में, मे बी आप यूट्यूब चैनल पे देखेंगे, और हमारे कोई भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे अगर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, बिलीव मी दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड ऑफर व्हाट हैज बीन गिवन बाय धवल भाई फ्रॉम द चॉकलेट रूम ब्रांड. आप सीरियसली इसके बारे में सोचिए. एंड इफ यू हैव फर्दर क्वेश्चंस, आई थिंक लेट मी चेक चैट बॉक्स. एक दो सवाल शायद आए हुए हैं. नितिन वाधवानी हैज आस्क्ड 20 लाख में फ्रेंचाइजी फी भी ऐड है कि नहीं, वेयर इज द ऑफिस इन अहमदाबाद. आई थिंक आपने ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो ऑलरेडी दे दिया है.
मैंने दे दिया है, क्योंकि मैं आपके चैट बॉक्स में पढ़ ही रहा था. सो वी बीइंग अ सेल्स पीपल ऑलवेज बी अ मल्टीटास्किंग, हैव टू बी अ मल्टीटास्किंग, सो वी डिड दैट. सो मैंने ये इसी को उसमें कवर अप कर दिया है. मैं एक छोटा सा शब्द और बोलना चाहूँगा. मैं ये डिस्काउंट ऑफर नहीं कर रहा, बिकॉज डिस्काउंट इज वेरी अ डिफरेंट वर्ड. If we are reading a lots of books and leadership motivational speakers, if we watching to them, so it's not at all discount, it is support. Why we are giving this support to everybody is, it's not about earning now in this situation, it's all about supporting them, because we know that इस सिनारियो में जो हमारे साथ जोड़ रहा है, हमें पता है वो कितना लंबा हमारे साथ आगे जा सकता है, क्योंकि 13 साल से फ्रेंचाइजी हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई है. जगह जगह कॉर्नर पे जहाँ पर हमने सोचा भी नहीं था, वहां पर भी हम बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कर रहे हैं. We have many feedbacks and all. So this support where people ask that कि हम क्या उनसे कोई फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, क्या हम लोन प्रोवाइड करा सकते हैं. See, it's completely depend on their KYC. It's not depend on us. It's on their KYC. उनके पास्ट रिकॉर्ड्स क्या हैं, और उनको फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट कैसे उनको सपोर्ट होगा, वो बैंक के पास जा सकते हैं. बट हम अपनी तरफ से ये सपोर्ट जरूर कर सकते हैं कि अभी इस सिचुएशन में हम उन्हें ये सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं कि सी डोंट ओनली लुक फॉर अ फ्रेंचाइजी, don't only look for a franchisee fee and all this thing. This is just an investment. It will definitely cover up. जैसे हम बोलते हैं 2 से 3 साल में आपका ROI आ जाएगा. इतना कम होने के बाद तो बिल्कुल फिर आप 2 साल पकड़ के चलें, उसमें आपका ROI easily आना चाहिए. So the people those are already invested in other brand, and right now they don't find any solution to go where they go. We are the people, because we are the oldest people in the market, those who are serving the best with all the franchisee as per the commitment.
I am also sharing contact detail of ours and website detail. अगर आप कांटेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, अगर चैट बॉक्स में आपने नहीं देखा है तो franchiseinsider.in पे भी आप हमें कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बिफोर आई गो थ्रू सम ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस, क्योंकि हो सकता है कुछ ऑडियंस क्वेश्चन नहीं कर रहे या करना चाहती है. तो लेट मी स्टार्ट विथ फ्यू ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस. डबल भाई, shall I?
Proceed, sir.
Yes, yes. Because see, there are general questions, general queries जो लोगों के दिमाग में होती है, अक्सर वो पूछ सकते हैं या कई बार पूछना भूल जाते हैं. So why not we should take an initiative. There might be many questions जिनको start करना है business, but उनको कई बार रहता है, maybe they are a first time foodpreneur, I would say. तो उनको सबसे बड़ी चिंता रहती है मैन पावर की, कि भाई ट्रेन रिसोर्सेज हम कहाँ से लाएंगे. तो how you help those franchisees in terms of manpower support?
Okay, so I'll give you a very logical, either I can only give you, okay, fine, I have a HR support and my HR team will support you. It not connect to anyone, you know, sabhi ke paas hai HR support. But let me give you the entire fundamental idea is how we are doing it. Rather I say कि हम support करते हैं. Let me emphasize on this point कि हम करते कैसे हैं वो मैं बता देता हूँ. So we have a 13-year का पूरा, you know, a database. With the help of database, those who have already approached to us, or maybe they worked with us earlier and all. So we have a database with have a connection of 325 stores. Believe me, with the help of references, you'll get many CVs and all. So of course, that is our responsibility, a proactiveness toward the work, and my HR team is highly dedicated toward. So far, of course, this is one of the biggest drawback in this food industry कि बच्चे चले जाते हैं, बच्चे भग गए हैं, और उस दिन भगेंगे जिस दिन आपका सबसे बड़ा काम होगा या सबसे बड़ा ऑर्डर आ गया होगा. उस केस में हम कैसे करते हैं? तो we have a trainer team which replace on their place to support them. So you will not feel very awkward and you know isolated कि यार मैं अकेला पड़ गया और मुझे कंपनी सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही है. But of course you have to speak to us. You know, we are not antaryami and all. You have to speak to us, knock the door. He say we are in a trouble. Help me out. This is how it is. Of course, being a human being, will also require some time to deliver it, but we deliver it. That is our header to be look after it. And we have a dedicatedly HR team. They are specialized in only a manpower recruitment. You know? So they are always, they know that key, such kind of people will go there and they'll handle the business. Not even that, you know, finish the work, handle the business. And we train each and every staff to be to become a manager. It's not मेरा brew master भी manager का काम कर लेगा और manager भी brew master का काम कर सकता है. और आज किसी दिन सर्विस वाले नहीं आए तो उन्हें सर्विस भी करनी पड़ेगी. और अभी का सिचुएशन यही है. You know, earlier we are in the standalone model, we are recruiting 10 to 15 people, which is mandatory. But right now we cut out the entire thing and now it's a 7 to 8 people. So we are cutting the cost also. Each and every employee, you have to be a multitasking.
That's a very nice thing, धवल भाई, कि आपने किसी भी फ्रेंचाइजी का मतलब बहुत बड़ा हेडेक आपने ऐसे ही दूर कर दिया, जो सबसे बड़ी चिंता ज़्यादातर लोगों को होती है who want to enter into F&B business. Now, next question, as a franchisee, क्या उनको कोई ट्रेनिंग लेने की ज़रूरत है into this business अगर उनको कुछ नॉलेज नहीं है तो?
देखिए, being you know, in my past experience, I was you know, a training head earlier, like you know, earlier into the training departments and all. Training is must and necessary, but if you sit with right people like with us, like you know, we have a proper trainer, we train them, we give them whole soul idea about how you run the business, how you make up your food menu and everything, and how you treat your customer. Of course, we want it to be co-joint working in terms of आपके पास भी जो कुछ एक्सपीरियंस है, जैसे बहुत फ्रेंचाइजी IT डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, कुछ HR हेड्स हमारे साथ जुड़ी हुई हैं जो कि दिल्ली, मुंबई और डिफरेंट पुणे, आप यहाँ के जो इन्वेस्टर्स लॉबी देखते हैं, दे आर वर्किंग लॉबी जो वर्क भी कर रही हैं और उन्होंने डाइवर्सिफाई ऑफ अर्निंग करके रखना हुआ है, कि इन्वेस्टमेंट लेके रखा हुआ है, इन्वेस्टमेंट चॉकलेट उनके साथ है. तो अपना टाइम खत्म करने के बाद, एंड दे आर अ वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर, उनके बच्चे हैं, और या कोई बिजनेसमैन है जो अपना बिजनेस खत्म करने के बाद थोड़ा सा टाइम हमारे साथ स्पेंड करते हैं चॉकलेट रूम में और अपनी बाकी की मीटिंग्स वहाँ करते हैं, तो ईगल वॉच रखते हैं. इस तरीके से हम उन्हें प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग देते हैं ऑन देयर प्रोफाइल, कि उनकी प्रोफाइल क्या है, उसके बेसिस पे मेरे जो ट्रेनर है, हमारे ट्रेनर, वो उन्हें प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. 10 से 15 दिन की प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग हो जाए. और हम फ्रेंचाइजी को भी इंसिस्ट करते हैं कि वो हमारे साथ जुड़ें और ट्रेनिंग लें.
ओके, जैसे हमने पहले बात किया कि वी आर अ proposition of three kind of different categories. It's a cafe, bakery and chocolate. So definitely हर एक प्रोडक्ट का अपना अलग अलग कॉस्ट होता है, अलग अलग मार्जिन रेशियो होता है. So since we are a combination of all kind of thing, all three things, so what are the average margin they can earn? क्या तीनों का रेशियो पे डिपेंड करता है, सेलिंग रेशियो पे, या एक एवरेज मार्जिन अर्निंग मिलता है फ्रेंचाइजी को?
Samir bhai, in total, if I'll calculate, in my entire experience with the chocolate room, and when after selling the chocolate room, I interact with many franchisee. I have seen people will cover up the 40% margin also, but being a assistant director or being on that, where my each and every word will give us some motivation or maybe some my words to be a crystal clear. I'll always tell all my franchisee consider 20 to 25% margin. Rather to think on 40% margin. 40% definitely you will earn if you have your own potential. That potential I can't judge. But 20 to 25 potential I judge on the basis of my organization SOP is structured and my organization SOP followers. Those who follow it, they are earning it. Those who are not following, it's in front of you. And we have seen many, in this COVID, we have seen it. But still, why the chocolate room is खड़ा है, business कर रहा है, लोगों का विश्वास जीते हुए, because of this thing, because of we don't want it to be over committed, over commitment. जो है वो है. But I have seen my, with the chocolate room life, people have turned up 40%. Somebody come and hug me and said, I cover up in 1 year. I have completed the ROI sheet. Believe me, it gave me a more कलेजों को ठंडक पड़ती है. और वो भी जब वुमन एंटरप्रेन्योर बोले आपको, I have cover up, and वो भी एक हायर सिटी जैसे दिल्ली मुंबई की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. जब आपको एक हक करके आपको यूं बोले कि डबल थैंक यू हैव सपोर्टेड अस, एंड जो आपने बोला था 2 से 3 साल में आप अपना आरओआई निकालोगे, वो आप साल भर में निकालते हो. So it's not up to us, it's all up to them. How they use these verticals and increase the reference marketing, other things, the communication has to be clear. See, you are opening a cafe, so you can't be harsh. कि मुझे 50 रुपए चाहिए ही चाहिए. You can't be harsh. You have to be a very smart, polite. जो हम पिक्चरों में देखते हैं, हम बहुत सारी पिक्चरों में देखते हैं, बहुत सारे हीरोज बन चुके हैं, कैफे ऑनर्स एंड ऑल. जिस तरीके से वो ट्रीट करते हैं वही आप करने लग जाए ना, आप आराम से 40 से 50% तक रन कर सकते. All depend on you, not us. We say 20 to 25%, but this 20% margin, more margin, is depend on our franchisee, not on us.
That's a good thing to know. Apart from that, आपके हिसाब से who are your ideal franchisee number one, and उनके रोल क्या है आपके हिसाब से? मतलब अगर कोई किसी के साथ आपके साथ जुड़ते हैं एज ए फ्रेंचाइजी, तो what are their roles and responsibilities?
समीर भाई, that इसके पहले विकास सर का भी प्रेजेंटेशन हो चुका है. He addresses, he told you the, हमने पूरी अच्छी तरीके से प्रॉपरली लोगों को समझाया, और हमें जो बेनिफिट्स इस वेबिनार से मिले, हमारे साथ लोग बाग जुड़े और लोगों को हमारे बारे में और पता लगता है आपके प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू, जहाँ पर आप डायरेक्टर, असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर, और आर वर्किंग कल्चर, माय एसओपी, बिकॉज हम बहुत सालों से जुड़े हुए हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. आप यदि मेरे लिए फ्रेंचाइजी आइडियल ढूंढेंगे तो मैं 300 से 325 लोगों को मेरा फ्रेंचाइजी आइडियली सोचता हूँ, या नेगेटिव हो या पॉजिटिव हो, कुछ ना कुछ सीख देते हैं. बट हाँ, मेरे लिए आइडियल वो लोग हैं, जैसे मैंने एक एम्फसाइज कर रहा हूँ एक वर्ड को, जो साथ लेके खड़े रहे. आज कोरोना में बहुत लोग बह गए हैं, बहुत बाड़ों में निकल चुके हैं. तो जो टफनेस, जो लीडरशिप जिनमें स्किल्स हैं, जो अपने करियर के लिए सजग हैं और अपने आप को एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे देखते हैं, हमें वही लोग चाहिए. हमें मेरा टका कितना और मुझे इतना ही चाहिए. शायद हम उन्हें मना भी कर रहे हैं. समीर भाई, दैट अभी कुछ आपके 4-5 इन्वेस्टर्स, once we have met them, so few people we select them now, rather they select us, so we together select them. आप भी हमें, ये एक शादी जैसा ही है, आप हमें सिलेक्ट करें, हम आपको सिलेक्ट, because franchisee fee is lifetime, so you no need to be worry about the franchisee part. बस हारे ना, खड़े रहें, हम आपके साथ में. all are my ideal, because I am learning for each and every person. My personal opinion. Yeah.
Right. See, however many things I know, but because audience को कई बार ये questions होते हैं, so it is better to ask you in front of the this platform, such kind of wonderful platform.
Thank
And
you.
last question जो मैंने पिछली बार भी पूछा था, मैं वो question एक बार वापस से repeat करूँगा, क्योंकि there will be, especially in this kind of scenario, काफी लोग ऐसे होंगे, especially the businessmen जो ऑलरेडी बिजनेस रन कर रहे हैं, बट दे नो कि अभी मुझे डाइवर्सिफाई होना पड़ेगा, मे बी फॉर माई नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, या मेरे बिजनेस को शायद हो सकता है 5 साल में मुझे वाइंड अप करना पड़े, तो दैट इज वाई मुझे कुछ नया अपॉर्चुनिटीज स्टार्ट करना है, बट जिसमें मैं टाइम नहीं दे पाऊंगा. तो काइंड ऑफ आई वुड से काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टर काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. तो क्या वो लोग भी इसमें एंटर हो सकते हैं?
जी हाँ, देखिए, एक होता है फोको मॉडल और एक दूसरा होता है फोफो मॉडल. सो हमारे मैक्सिमम फोर ही हैं, फ्रेंचाइजी ओन, फ्रेंचाइजी ऑपरेटेड, एंड दे आर डूइंग वेरी गुड. बट इट डज नॉट मीन कि हम फोको नहीं करते, बट वी हैव अ सिलेक्टेड क्राइटेरिया. उसका क्राइटेरिया फॉर्म शीट होती है, हम उनके साथ फॉर्म इंटरेक्शन करते हैं, उनके साथ 1 or 2 1-to-1 मीटिंग्स होती हैं जो कि इन्वेस्टमेंट करना चाहते हैं. दे डोंट वांट टू बी गो इनटू द हेडेक कि मैं चलाऊं, because they are already into some other business or maybe a builder lobby. Those who only looking for only investment, and they rent it out and they sell out their property to the third party. That opportunity is always be open, because we have done many things in typically in Ahmedabad, but we only do with our range where we can never where we can commit it toward their success, and where we can see the potential. Then only we are ready to do such kind of we are taking such kind of investment, because taking an investment is a responsibility to deliver it. We wanted to give a return to them. We wanted to give a return to them. And on the first stop, and on online webinar and all, if I'm saying all these things, so I hope so you understand I'm making my own filter, where people, those who are watching me, or maybe in the future they can watch me in Facebook or Insta or any other platform, and if they can recall this video, I am very much clear. At least me, I want people those who can looking for a expansion, a career growth. If they don't want to run the show, ask us to be run the show, and we'll give you the solution. That is my responsibility to look after.
सो थैंक यू सो मच धवल भाई. आई थिंक आपने कुछ अनटच रखा ही नहीं है, सारे पॉइंट्स आपने बहुत ब्यूटीफुली कवर किया है. डेफिनेटली एज ए ग्रुप, एज ए कंपनी, यू हैव बीन वर्किंग सो ब्यूटीफुली, व्हिच वी हैव सीन ग्रोइंग दिस ब्रांड, कहते हैं ना साइलेंटली, बट बहुत अच्छे से ये कंपनी ने ग्रोथ किया 2007 से अगले 14 साल के अंदर. एंड माय बेस्ट विशेस विथ यू एंड योर टीम दैट आने वाले 2025 में आप पूरे वर्ल्ड के ऑलमोस्ट सारे कंट्री आपने कवर कर लिए हो. These are my best wishes to you and everyone in your team.
Thank you,
and
sir.
audience, आप अगर अपॉर्चुनिटीज देख रहे हैं, अगर कुछ डाउट्स हैं, तो आप मेरा ब्लॉग पढ़िए. ब्लॉग पढ़ने के बाद इफ यू आर सीरियसली ओपन फॉर F&B इंडस्ट्री, आप कंसिडर करिए द चॉकलेट रूम को फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी देके एक बार रिसर्च करिए, स्टडी करिए. आई एम श्योर दिस काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको इतना अच्छा वेल एस्टेब्लिश अपॉर्चुनिटीज आपको नहीं मिलेगा. सो कंसिडर दिस वेरी वेल. दीज आर माय पर्सनल रिकमेंडेशन एंड विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट धवल भाई टू यू. आने वाले समय में हम और आपके ओपनिंग्स का न्यूज़ वेट करेंगे.
थैंक यू सर.
एंड लेट्स होप हमारे ऑडियंस में से बहुत जल्द कुछ इंक्वायरी है, एंड लेट अस वर्क आउट ऑन दैट वे ऑल्सो. सो ऑडियंस, आप भी सुरक्षित रहिए, अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखिए, बट साथ ही साथ 2021 के लिए अपनी तैयारी बिजनेस की अभी से कर लीजिए. अपना फ्रेंचाइजी सिलेक्शन अभी से कर लीजिए. स्टार्ट योर फ्रेंचाइजी नाउ. ऑल द बेस्ट. हैव अ गुड डे.
Thank you so much, sir. Be safe. Thank you.